Barnard. Hill, 1 and 2. UK Bike Store, I think there. Spears in the free. And the number 7 moving on for is Nathan Dupree. Monday, closely followed by the number 10 of Tommy Eden. Dywell Wilson. This one out for number 4. Still Dywell Wilson leading it out. Travis, Lovely Cycles. Number 4, Harrison G. Archibald, local hero, in the crowd cheering, but my man has Alan here, all pure bikes. First time seeing go squirrely for a while. MTB 1 and 2. Unison cycling. Let's have a battle between two riders. Buffalo Wilson. 70 29 female. Leading it out from Eton. Lana Redgeman in the free. There's a bit of moves going on. Nikki Spears leading this one out. Marcia Brook, 2 bunnies into Susan Farrow from Harrow 365. There's a race on here. Nicholas Spears is going to make it 2 from 2. This morning, Renee Dywell, and as I say, her name she gets passed by Batsford, I think. So, yeah, it's coming down the last straight away, Batsford, Dywell, and the number 3 of Leah Pendleton.
Right, 16, Edward Dillon. Looks like the 223 in the heavy Malone, though, or 220, sorry, Cat Blade. Right, Miles Wildball in there in 2. Maxtracks.co.uk.
Number 10, recognise the shirt, race day video, Adam Gilbert. After last season's race, it was only a matter of time before he got picked up by somebody. Definitely looking good. Good sponsoring race day video there. Stood behind me doing all the filming.
It's Ben Curling, of course. Here tight there. William Good, national number 3 from last year. The number 12 moving on through Joel Stimpson, and the 11 of Aaron Brannan. Cooper Nelson, Campbell, 1 and 2. 25, Samuel Bennett in the 3. There's a battle in the last corner here. Oh, he's gone inside the 12. Made it will stick. Matthew Baptista, of course.
Right, Moto 151. Matthew Hutt. Leading this one out. Alex Brooks is in there somewhere as well. He's in there with 4 at the moment. He'll be looking for a way past the 764. Matthew Goodwins, the A plate in 2. He's Edward Watson. Right, Martin from Birmingham. He's in the leading through. There's Chidley, Nathan Woods, Ross Cullen. All those 4 guys will probably be in the final later on. T.A.'s door on that 163. Daniel Leeds in there in that 2-spot Cody Evans. In that second position. Love Not Money looking for a way through as well. That'll be Ben Featherstone from North East BMX. Flo Heft. Leah Clinch 1 and 2. Carris is in there in 3. Kerry Ann Turner in 4. Katie O'Neill in 5. Chloe Foster in 6. Megan Dewhig in 7. Mary Johnson, Emmy Shackles, 1 and 2. Yasmin England's in there in 3. That looks like Kerry Swales and Olivia Firth. And Jodie Hill. In that order. Murray, just heading into that turn. The Vets. Hilly, Gunner. 627, that belongs to Stuart Campbell from Musselburgh. Going well. As Ian Archibald comes past. The Musselburgh guys just watching their rider, Julian Allen, Ironman Allen, in there in 3. Look how he does it. Brett Knight in there in that 3 spot. Darby Squared in there in 4. That'll be Michael Ellis. Warlock's in there in 3 at the minute, chasing down John Price. 587 Daniel Kelly. Big Daddy White's in there in 4. That looks like Hilo Critchlow in 5. That's Little Bruv, Owen Baxter in there in 1, Alex Brown in 2, Jordan Smith in 3, Beth Shriver out there in 1, in a Sunday kit, that's Rhea Goodman in there in 2. She always likes to look good. start straight into turn number 1. Stacky's in there in 2. Jordan Perry in there in 3. Just looking at all people in the brakes. Oh, Scotty Boy Dominguez went airborne, didn't know which way he was going to go, and just about staying upright. So, Manor and Stack. Jordan Perry battling with, I think it's Will Smith. Strickland, McBride heading for turn number 1. Luckhurst on the outside looking for Highline, can't find it. Strickland's heading down here in that first plate. Oh, big case from Ross Sharp. Hawker can't get over it either. Addy Mellor and Saunders also stuck, but Luckhurst heading down towards that turn. McBride Luckhurst makes the move. He's going to take the motor. Luckhurst, Strickland, McBride. Here we go. Ryan Anderson, Josh Hanlon can't get over the pro jump. Reese Wood, all kinds of craziness going on. So Anderson and Njaguna having a scrap. Hanlon's in there in 3. Liam Brown, I think it is, in there in 4. So Anderson, he's going to get this win, doing it for Get Racing. Kai White's in there in 5, all going big over that pro jump, in and out of that second turn. Sharon making his moves, heading down towards that final turn. Brazil got anything for him? No, he hasn't. Sharon, Brazil, Tuffy, late charge from Roberts. Oof. Kelvin Beatty, Get Racing, Irish national champion. He's in there in 1. That looks like Skidmore in 2. 41 in there in 3. That's Josh Moore. Brent Bradford in that 4 spot looking for a way round. Willis White and Kieran McIntyre. But it's Beatty down that final straight. He's going to get it. Braden Bradford late move for 2. Oh! More riders down.
Yeah, Stuffle 1, Hopes 2, Reading 3, looking good.
Campbell. 255. Ryan Martin. First rack of the leads, Curtis Madison's in the middle in this one, and he's got a good start heading down towards turn the ball. And looking for the rider in 4. It is the 77 of Ryan Hutchinson. The guy's going airborne through the pro section. Skidmore doesn't get over it. It was Hutchinson over the second one. So Maniton chilling. He thinks he knows he's safe.
Already landing up the track. Check out Cal Strickland on the inside. Got a super smart. Dan McBride in the middle. Stacky on the outside. Who's got it in at the first corner? Strickland 1. Stacky 2, McBride 3, Roberts on the inside, in 4, Liam Brown there as well. Only 2 of them making through the pro section. That's Stacky now, taking over the lead from Strickland. Danger UK, Harrow.
Right, Tuffy on the inside of this one, on those flat pedals heading towards turn number 1. Right, looking like the replay, working his way out, that's Pete Reeves, he's in there in 1. Tuffy and Njaguna!
So, Beatty 1, Perry 2,